Hey guys, this is Barry with Fire and Ice Outdoors, and we're doing a review on the Anker Solix C1000. And I know there's going to be probably some comments. There's a lot of smart people on, you could take the amperage versus the wattage of what things can do, this, that, and the other. And if you're interested in that, I can actually put a sheet on in the description where you can click on it and see what this can run for how many hours. And it's a whole little Excel spreadsheet. I've posted them before. Just go in the description. People have asked me, how can I get this? Go in the description, and I have them in there. But this is a 6,000 square foot YouTube studio, and I want to say thank you for all the views and people watching and standing behind me for years now. So I'm able to actually build this, which is awesome. But I want to run this completely off grid, and this of course can't do it. But I want you to see what this can do. This setup is 600 square feet. All my lights, the back and the front, are all LED, and we're going to plug it into this, and I'm going to show you what it can run. So if you've got a shop that you're wanting to run just LED lights, the front porch or anything, I just want to show you what it can do. And on top of that, if you get a little solar system that will charge this could possibly do it indefinitely. It does come with an app, and that is so cool. I absolutely love this little app. This is it. This is the little guy right here. Hopefully you can you see that? So what this thing can do is tell me the output, the input, can turn things on and off from the app and stuff like that. But let's go and plug this to the building. Right now I have it, this whole thing ran off an extension cord. So let's go outside and let's plug it in. So the plug is right here. But this is the lightest little 1,000 watt I've ever seen. I mean, this is impressive. Let's come down here and try plug this in. All right. I'm gonna just take this, gotta get a little bit closer. This isn't ideal just yet. We're gonna make this better eventually, but let's plug this in. Right now there's no power to it, so we gotta plug it in. So we gotta turn on the lights outside, or inside, but we're gonna run everything off of this right here, so we'll be able to see this. So let's go. All right, so I think it's this one. Let's see. What are we doing wrong? Everything's on. I bet I know what it is. I've got to push that little button on the side. I'll be right back. All right, cool. It's working. So I've got 3 lights on and the front porch lights on right now. So what I'm doing is pulling up it's not connected. That's a little aggravating. It was connected. Let me get a little bit closer, find out why it's not connected. Because it was connected, and it's literally right behind that window right there. So let's go check it out. All right, let's see. Why is this not working now? I mean, I just had it working. I was just looking at it. Bluetooth is on. I gotta tell you, I did a review on the refrigerator frost that Anker makes. Yeah, everything's on. And the app didn't work on it either, and which is super frustrating. Come on, connect. It's sitting it right on top of it. Hopefully you can see that too. She's on. It's got a little flashing thing as well, but the app is just it's been really disappointing. I was hoping this would work, because what's cool about the app is I can turn the lights on and off, which is really cool. A lot of times I'll be running back and forth filming, going back into the house and plugging into my computer, doing the editing and stuff like that. I have an editing team, so, and then I'll wind up having to cook, or we're going out to eat and I forget to turn off the lights on the shop. I could go to this app and turn it off right there at the app. That's insane. Yeah, it's not plugging in. I wonder if I took this off. Let's unplug this. It's fully charged. Let's refresh it. Here we go. Just been really disappointed with the apps though, with the Anker apps. Yeah, it's just not connecting. I'm not going to spend too much more time on this, but let's plug this in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's got 6 plugs, and one has a surge protector that you can actually, I think it's like 2,400 watts, which you can actually run like your well. If you have a 110 well, it'll do it. This ain't gonna work. The app's junk, which is really disappointing. But let me show you this. it'll actually run my lights. And let me show you the lights that are on. It'll run them for 16 hours. That's crazy. And I have my front lights on and all the lights in here as well. I've got 3 lights inside there. And that's insane. I'm sorry. Can you see me better like that? There we go. Yeah, and it's 6 plugs, extremely light. It's got the USB and USB-C on the front, and it's got a 12 volt, which is very common for all of them. I was really excited about the app. The app is junk, same as the refrigerator app. If you haven't seen that video, I'll post it up here. They've made me actually redo it because they didn't like it. I don't like lying to you guys. I don't like telling you untruths, and that refrigerator has a built-in battery. It's insane, but the app is junk as well. I tried it, and they're just going to get better at it. So if you have it, the app might be fine. I have a iPhone, and it seems to work fine with Android. So blah blah blah. I don't know what's between Anchor and iPhone, because my buddy has an Android and it works fine every single time. But yeah, if you do have a shop and you want to run your lights and run like a little 200 watt solar panel to it, it'll charge. If you plug it in, it'll charge in about 60 seconds. If you have 600 watts of solar, it could charge in an hour and a half, which is a lot of solar. To be honest with you, if you have like a 200 watt or 400 watt solar system, you know, it would take a couple hours. But if it's just a shop, to be honest with you, this would actually be perfect. Now, I want to tell you some other stuff. I want to get comfortable too. So, this is freaking awesome. I got light running off of a 1,000 watt solar generator. Remember, you have to have a low wattage lighting, but I'm running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights. Now, I've not tried anything with the plugs or anything like that, but I've taken these 1,000 watt solar generators out camping, running the refrigerator, charging my drones, my camera equipment, my cell phone, and it literally will keep me out in the woods for 24 hours. If you're out there for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, this is not big enough for you, unless you've got some kind of solar that will charge it. So, but just charging that, taking it in the woods, that's not enough. But yeah, I'm disappointed with the app, but this thing can charge. It'll run, again, I'll put it in the description below, the little map. I mean, it could run your large refrigerator for like 6 hours. It's gonna run all my shop here for 16 hours, which is insane. And if they get their act fixed, I can actually control this with the app, which is insane. You can actually turn the lights on and off. It'll actually tell you the temperature, but I can't show you anything, which this would be ideal. This would be ideal to have shown you this. But again, the app doesn't work. But yeah, let's see how much it is. How much do they charge for this thing? On Amazon, they're $4.99. So if you have Prime, that's free shipping. For $500 for 1,000 watts, it's I don't think it's that big a deal. I don't think that's bad. But for it to run my shop for 16 hours, if I ran, 2 or 3 solar panels, this could run my lights directly, indefinitely, which I think is pretty cool, 1,000 watts. And it's small. Did you see how small it is? Anyway, I don't want to be long-winded with this. I am disappointed in the app. Again, with the refrigerator, the app is junk as well. And I think the app is a neat thing if they can get it running, blah, blah, blah. But look at this. I have lights with strictly a 1,000 watt solar panel. So I think it would be neat to have if you do want to go overlanding, remember it's only 24 hours. I don't think you could go much further than that unless you had some kind of solar or generator, something that could charge it like your alternator. But like a little shop, this would be freaking perfect. And if they get the app right, so. Anyway, if you like videos like this, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell. These are honest reviews. If you like one of these, I'll put it in the description below. You can also get it on Amazon for $4.99, or it's called Anchor Solix. Look on their website, see which one's cheaper, and I would go with that because everybody's always, you can always shop around and find something cheaper. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.